Okay, so the next important concept is chemical equilibrium. Let's see what that means. Consider this reaction A plus B that leads to A and B are interacting, two species A and B are interacting and they form C and D. If the reaction is in chemical equilibrium, then we have chemical potential of A plus chemical potential of B is equal to chemical potential of C plus chemical potential of D. Now, why is chemical equilibrium important? We will study later. This is a very good approximation. It's not 100% accurate, the chemical equilibrium scenario, because a reaction finally comes out of chemical equilibrium, but it stays in chemical equilibrium in the context of the thermal history of the universe. We will see that reactions, interacting particles, stay in chemical equilibrium for a long period of time. So using the idea of this expression, we will derive a very important relationship which we will see later. And then we will also talk about, when we study Boltzmann equations, we will also talk about the scenarios when reaction comes out of chemical equilibrium. That's all for this video. See you next time.